Hi everyone, so welcome to Crypto Agyani. Today with me, Mr. Irshad from IBW here with us. Just a few questions about the India Web3 community. Let's see that. Welcome Irshad.
Thank you very much.
How a new user can enter into crypto space?
One of the best ways, I think everyone hears this, right? Like, don't earn your first crypto. By doing something, earn your first crypto. And that is becoming more and more easier now, I think. With newer apps and things coming into play, for example, Base and all of these guys who are also like rewarding creator economy. Even like if you're creating content, if there's people engaging enough, you can start earning money on certain platforms right now. I think that's one way, not to make money as such, but to just like know how this other like whole system that has been created works. Right? I think that'll make everyone think about like, okay, make us question about like what was the concept of money digitally before and what is it right now, like like tokens being created, and then trying to think about various use cases that come with it. What I would suggest is, I think great ways for anyone new, especially if you're living in a tier 1 city such as Bangalore, etc., which has a lot of like such meetups happening, etc. That's the easiest way you can just enter, like meet other people, keep asking the same question as like, okay, like what is crypto, like why, right? Yeah. This should give like enough idea, and there are a bunch of like good YouTube channels that one can refer to as well. There's Whiteboard Crypto, and a bunch of others that one can follow. There's also like newsletters one can subscribe to stay updated as to like what's happening. Some of them that like really break these things down, right? Like there are day-to-day daily newsletters, etc., that one can subscribe to. And also be part of like local Telegram groups. These are like India level Telegram groups and even global ones, right? Because this is where a lot of such conversations happen. All of these things will give you an idea about like, okay, what's happening, etc. And I also think for someone new, this is generally looked down upon, saying, oh, airdrop farming, etc. And like you're all farmers, etc. Doing it for the sake of money is one thing, but I think for the sake of learning is a great way to like try to airdrop farm. Not doing the same things like every day, like, okay, I spent like 10 minutes today doing the same thing. I went and followed a few people on social media. No, just going deep into an ecosystem and understanding the different kinds of projects that there are. Even if something's on testnet, you're trying to use it. From there, you try to, I think that's how the crypto rabbit hole will just like suck you inside it, because there's so much. I think that's when a whole new world opens up slowly. So maybe that's a way for anyone.
Thank you. And guys, please follow Irshad. Obviously, don't forget to join IBW 2025 and meet Irshad. Obviously, he will be very busy during the event. You cannot catch him, but you try to meet him and say, hi, I watched your videos and it was very good, if you like. So thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.